Hey YouTube, Matty G, Inner City Media, bringing you the latest videos by me. In this video, I speak more about cannabis activism in Florida and the opposing forces, the No on 2 campaign. Any point you like this video, give it the thumbs up. If you feel the need to comment or question, leave it below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, subscribe to Inner City Media for more. Alright guys, cannabis activism in Florida. This November 2016, we have Amendment 2 medical cannabis on the ballot. I want everybody to go out and vote yes. If you're not voting yes and you're voting no, or you're not voting at all, I want you to go online and educate yourself about medical cannabis and its benefits. Alright guys, here we go. The No on 2 campaign. I don't know if you can see it, but up here, I have one of their pictures that they've been posting. They've been posting pictures and videos every day, alright? And if somebody doesn't get on top of it, we're not going to be able to stop them. So I'm here to try and stop them in their tracks. Here we go. Here's one of their pictures. They keep on posting videos and pictures about the Green Doctor in Venice Beach, California. If you didn't hear me correctly, that's the Green Doctor in Venice Beach, California. Now here in this picture they say under Amendment 2, this is a pharmacy. First of all, under Proposition 215 in California, that's not a pharmacy. If you go there right now, you would realize that that's not a pharmacy or a dispensary. There is no medical cannabis at the Green Doctor. Alright? They're trying to fool you. They show video of people, mostly bums, smoking pot and cigarettes outside of the store, and they show people walking in and out and kids walking by. What this is not a dispensary. There's no medical cannabis there. A couple stores down there is a pipe and tobacco shop. But at this location, the Green Doctor is actually doctors that recommend medical cannabis for people that live in California. So what happens is somebody that lives there, they go there and they get a recommendation from a doctor. They can take that recommendation now and get their medical cannabis card. Or at certain locations, dispensaries, that recommendation works just as well basically as the medical cannabis card in California. Alright? So there you go. No on 2 is lying to you. The pictures in the video of the Green Doctor in Venice Beach, California are not true. It's not a dispensary. There is no medical cannabis for sale or for free there. They are just doctors that charge a certain fee to give you a recommendation so then you can go to a medical cannabis dispensary and purchase it. But you have to be a citizen of California to do so. And on top of it, if you check out my YouTube page and my Twitter, 420 Cancer Killer at Matthew Grande, you will see the pictures that I post, alright? They have theirs under Amendment 2, this is a pharmacy, so I'm making some pictures. If you could see it from there, mine says, do your research, Florida, no on 2 lies. Fact, no marijuana is available here. So, they're posting their pictures about the Green Doctor and saying all this stuff, so I'm posting my pictures now and I'm speaking to the public about the truth. Alright guys, any point in this video you like it, give it the thumbs up. If you need a comment, leave a comment or a question below. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, subscribe to Inner City Media for more. Go out November 2016 in Florida and vote yes on medical cannabis. Blessings and good health to everyone.